Every breeze carries a secret, Grandma said, gazing out at the sprawling fields dotted with wind turbines that danced in the sunlight. 10-year-old Mia listened intently, her imagination swirling like the blades above. Mia lived in a small coastal village in Taiwan, where the winds told tales of change and hope. Her town had recently embraced wind power, transforming the landscape and providing clean energy to homes. But it wasn't just about the turbines. It was about what they represented, a future where nature and technology coexisted harmoniously. One sunny afternoon, Mia decided to explore the fields. Armed with a notebook and her favorite colored pencils, she ventured beyond the village, where the towering turbines stood tall against the azure sky. She sat beneath one, listening to the soft whooshing sound as the blades cut through the air. Suddenly, she spotted something glimmering near the base of the turbine. Curiosity piqued. She hurried over to find a small, intricately designed wind chime made of seashells and glass. It swayed gently, catching the light and casting colorful reflections on the ground. This must belong to someone, Mia thought, determined to return it. Just then, an elderly man appeared from behind the turbine. His name was Mr. Chen, the village's first wind engineer, who had worked tirelessly to bring the wind farm to life. "Ah, you found my wind chime," he exclaimed, smiling. "I made it to celebrate our turbines. They remind me of the sea, and every time I hear it chime, I'm reminded of how far we've come." Mia was fascinated. "Can you tell me how the wind makes energy?" she asked eagerly. Mr. Chen's eyes sparkled with enthusiasm. "Of course. You see, the wind turns the blades, which spins a generator inside the turbine. This creates electricity, powering our homes while protecting the environment. It's like the wind is our partner in creating a better future." Inspired, Mia shared her idea. "What if we make a project to teach everyone about wind energy? We could create posters and even a little festival." Mr. Chen nodded approvingly. "That's a wonderful idea. We could invite the whole village to learn and celebrate together." Over the next few weeks, Mia and Mr. Chen worked hard. They painted bright posters filled with facts about wind energy and organized a community festival with games, storytelling, and delicious local food. On the day of the event, families gathered, laughter filling the air as the wind chimes sang softly in the breeze. Mia stood by the wind turbine, her heart swelling with pride. As the festival unfolded, she saw her neighbors engaging, learning about the importance of renewable energy. The wind carried their voices, their hopes, and their dreams of a cleaner world. That night, as the stars twinkled above, Mia closed her eyes, feeling the gentle wind on her face. "Every breeze carries a secret," she whispered to herself, knowing that their small village was part of something much larger, a movement toward a brighter, greener future.